Hey everybody, got an AM radio up for sale. This is an old tube model dating back to 1963. Somebody has done some work on it in the past. I cleaned it up and sprayed the controls out with Deoxit, but that's pretty much all I've done. Radio seems to work fine. Some of the capacitors have been replaced, some have not. But the radio seems to work fine, so I'm not messing any further than what I have done with it. But like I said, I did spray out the controls with Deoxit. So we're going to fire it up right now and give you a sample. I'm going to put the microphone right in front of the radio so you can actually get the best fidelity from this. It actually sounds really good for just a standard old AM radio. So here we go.
At AOL.com, MF as in Frank, ANTO, at AOL.com. Any questions you may have about the Easy Buy process?
I'm just paraphrasing, but something to the effect of they keep giving us Kennedys who sort of compete with one another for...
News Radio 1170, WWVA. Oh, this is the Sean Hannity Show. So that I can keep on giving. Well, let me show you another way that God
were filed. No, and probably with
what charges weren't filed.
No charges.
Have charges ever been filed against Lois Lerner?
I'm not sure I know what you're talking about.
Honda, Ford, Mazda, and Hyundai. Moon Township Auto, University Boulevard, 412.
I look at T.O. and I say he was the pro.
Read how his body was laid. Hail Mary, full of grace.
Be lifted by your angel. Call 1-877-ANGEL-14 today.
Central 340 Eastern. We'll be joined by Chris Bugman. Food that you should serve, food that you should not serve.
It all starts at the chop.
You will not.
Literally, it's the name of...
designations of all their cars, and they threw a queue into them.
Well, there you go, and you can see that it works just fine. So hopefully this will find a good home. Like I said, I cleaned up the case pretty good. You'll see pictures in the eBay auction for it. Thanks for looking, and have a great day.